Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's lesson because we're going to explore the word
gang,
Hi Alex.
gang,
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Great question. The word
gang,
has a few meanings. It can mean a group or a gang, like a group of people who hang out together. It can also refer to a corridor or passage in a building. The most common usage is in the sense of a group of people.
So, it's similar to how we use
gang,
in English? But it can also mean something else.
Exactly. Just be careful, because
gang,
can be a false friend. In English,
gang,
often has a negative connotation, while in German, it's more neutral or even positive when referring to a group of friends.
That makes sense. What about grammar? How do you use
gang,
in sentences?
gang,
Is a masculine noun, so we use the article.
der,
In plural, it becomes.
die Gänge,
For example, you would say,
der Gang ist lang,
meaning the corridor is long.
And how would I use it in the past?
In the past, you can say,
ich ging,
for the simple past or.
ich bin gegangen,
In the perfect. For example, I went down the corridor translates to,
ich bin den Gang entlang gegangen,
the imperative form is,
geh,
which means go.
ich bin gegangen,
Means I went.
Exactly. You're catching on fast.
Where does the word
gang,
come from?
Gang,
Comes from Old High German,
gango,
which means to go or to walk. It has evolved over time to mean both a group and a passage.
That's really interesting. I love learning about the history of words.
It gives you a deeper connection to the language, doesn't it?
Can we break down the word?
gang,
Sure. The root is,
gang,
which relates to movement or going. It doesn't have a prefix or a suffix in this case. So, it's pretty straightforward.
That makes it easier to remember.
Definitely. If it were a compound word, we would look at how the last noun determines the gender. But since
gang,
stands alone, it's simple.
Are there similar words to
gang,
Yes. Here are some examples. First, with the same root,
Abgang,
which means departure or exit. Then, there's,
Zugang,
meaning access or entrance.
What about more examples?
Sure. We also have,
Vorgang,
which means process, and,
Gangart,
meaning way of walking. For similar suffixes, we can look at,
Rang,
which means rank or position.
This is great.
Another one is,
Klang,
meaning sound. And if we talk about compounds, there's,
Untergang,
which means downfall.
How can I use?
Gang.
In real-life situations.
Let's imagine you're at a party. You might say,
Wo ist der Gang?
meaning where is the hallway?
Okay, I can try.
Wo ist der Gang?
Perfect. Another situation could be at school. You might say,
Wir treffen uns im Gang.
which means we meet in the corridor.
I'll try.
Wir treffen uns im Gang.
Great. Lastly, at work, if you need to give directions, you could say,
Der Gang ist geradeaus.
meaning the corridor is straight ahead.
Der Gang ist geradeaus.
Got it.
Now, let's talk about gender memory hints. Since
Gang,
is masculine, you can remember it by thinking of a strong male character leading a group.
That's a fun way to remember it.
It's also important to know that
Gang,
can be used formally or informally, depending on the context. Common phrases include
im Gang sein,
meaning to be in progress,
den Gang entlang,
meaning along the corridor, or
in den Gang gehen,
meaning to go into the corridor.
Got it. Any confusing words I should be aware of?
Yes, don't confuse
Gang,
with,
Gangster,
which specifically refers to a criminal group.
Can you give me some example sentences using?
Gang.
Certainly. Here's one.
Der Gang ist sehr eng.
Which means the corridor is very narrow.
And another.
Wir sind im Gang gelaufen.
Means we walked in the corridor.
What about the past tense?
Ich ging den Gang hinunter.
Translates to I went down the corridor.
This is fun.
Here's another one.
Im Gang stehen viele Leute.
Means many people are standing in the corridor.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. Can you quiz me on what we've learned?
Sure. First question, what is the article for?
Gang,
It's
Der.
Correct. Second question, what does
Zugang,
mean?
access or entrance.
Great. Third question, how do you say we met in the corridor in German?
Wir haben uns im Gang getroffen.
Almost. It's
wir treffen uns im Gang.
Fourth question, what is the plural of?
Gang,
Die Gänge.
Right. Last question, what does
Im Gang sein
mean?
To be in progress.
Exactly. You did really well. To summarize today, we learned about the word,
Gang,
its meanings, and how to use it in different contexts.
Thanks for the lesson, Alex. I really enjoyed it and learned a lot.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.